Global political force. First, populism is a significant political force globally. In recent years, populist movements and leaders have risen to power in various countries, including the United States and Brazil. These movements challenge traditional political systems and reshape political landscapes. To understand the factors driving these changes and their implications for democracy and governance, studying populism is essential. Addressing concerns and frustrations. Second, populism speaks to the concerns and frustrations of many people. Populist leaders often highlight issues such as economic inequality and corruption. These concerns resonate with a broad segment of the population. The field of populism gives us insights into the socioeconomic conditions and political grievances that fuel its rise. Impact on policy making. Third, populism affects policy making and governance. Populist leaders often advocate for radical changes, such as restricting immigration or reforming institutions. These policies can have very serious consequences on a country's economy and society. It is only through studying populism that we can anticipate and evaluate these policy changes and their broader consequences. Challenging political norms. Fourth, populism challenges established political norms and institutions. Populist movements often question the legitimacy of traditional political parties and the media. This can lead to significant shifts in how politics is conducted and how power is distributed. Academic importance. Additionally, understanding populism is vital for those working in or studying political science, sociology, anthropology, IR, and related fields. It provides an analysis into contemporary political dynamics and voter behavior. This knowledge is essential for anyone looking to engage with or influence modern politics. Addressing underlying causes. Through studying populism in an academic setting, we can develop strategies to address its underlying causes. When we identify the root issues that give rise to populist sentiments such as economic disparity or political disillusionment, we can work towards creating more inclusive and responsive political systems. This can mitigate the appeal of populism and promote a healthier democratic environment. Empowering citizens. Lastly, being informed about populism empowers us as citizens. In a world where populist rhetoric and policies are increasingly prevalent, having a solid understanding of what populism entails and how it operates allows us to engage more critically with political discourse and make more informed decisions. In order to understand contemporary political developments and train individuals who can understand and critically analyze the government, the study of populism is imperative. Without knowing what populism is and how politicians use it for their benefit, people can easily fall for their charisma and end up with an authoritarian leader instead of a populist one. That is why it is necessary for people everywhere to study populism.